Most people walk past this every day, but in April, the roadside's full of wild food hiding in plain sight. This is three-cornered leek, smells strongly of garlic. You'll find this in shady lanes like this, great for pesto, soups or just chopped fresh. Fresh young nettles, one of the best wild greens you can find, packed with nutrients. Just pick the tops, cook like spinach and the sting disappears. This is garlic mustard. Crush the leaves and you'll get that garlic smell. Perfect for adding flavour to salads or making a simple wild pesto. Alexander's, an underrated coastal plant. The stems taste like a mild celery, best when young and tender like this. Hawthorn, the young leaves are known as bread and cheese, mild, fresh and edible straight from the tree. The blossom comes just after and it's just as iconic. All of this is grown right here on a simple country walk. Once you know what to look for, you'll never see the roadside the same again.